Hello guys, today let's go to visit Kampung Ayer in Brunei. Hello. It's funny, people were friendlier on the other side of the river. So that's a whole area that burned down also. Wow. So when there is a fire here, it ravages a lot of houses. I'm steaming, it's so hot. Wow. It's like the water of the river underneath me is boiling and evaporating, and it's like really cooking me. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, nice house. So still working in the Kampung Ayer because I walked a lot. It's probably not called Kampung Ayer anymore. So it's Kampung something else now. Hello.
Where you come from?
France.
France.
And you? All good? Okay. Another big hole. Oh. And a big insect also. Hello. Good, good. And you?
Where you come from here?
France.
France. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Is it nice, Brunei?
Yeah, very nice, yeah. You fisherman?
For catch crab.
Catch crab. Oh, okay. Oh, you put fish inside so you can catch the crab. How?
Son, go inside, yeah.
Ah.
You make film, this one?
Huh?
Film.
Film, yeah.
Yes. Last time, Korea come. Here.
Korea also, yeah.
Yes, come. You know, yet see in YouTube.
I didn't see, no. So Korea, talk to you. Oh, okay.
Live here one night. And
Oh,
then,
live here one night.
yes, go 2 a.m. morning, early morning.
Go fishing with you?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Maybe that's an idea for me. Okay.
Korea people, yeah.
Oh, that's the Koreans, okay. Hello. Good, good. And you? Fine? Look at that. Oh my god. Not gym, no beat, no muscle. Whoa. Hi, hello.
Hello.
Let's see if any catch. Eh?
No fish.
No fish? No catch? So that could be the symbol of a lifestyle disappearing. Hello. You know the boat, race boat? And then start to sweat a lot again. So that will be probably that's part of me filming. That will be probably the last part of me filming Kampunga here.